All right, everybody. It is our, well, it is my first Arizona Kayak Bass Association Bassmaster Kayak Tournament today. Currently 5:54 a.m. We are waiting in line to be launching at a Castle Creek. A few boats, there's a few kayaks. There's also people behind me. But yeah, got mine loaded up. It's like a 4-minute drive to get down there once we get through and pay, but yeah, see you at the ramp. All right, y'all, almost lines in. Start moving up on my first spot. All right, at the Angler of the Year event for the Arizona Kayak Bass Association Bass Nation tournament. Lines in is at 7. It's 6:59. 30 seconds. Seven o'clock, lines in. Good luck to everybody competing. All right. I don't know if I wasn't here out this early. Fortunately, I was here, but didn't know it was cash and there was no attendant. So I had to go back to the gas station, pick up some cash, and then come back. So my bite window is about 8:30 even from on. 7:09 right now. They're only fishing for 10 minutes, so it's kind of hard to see through the little bit of waves. It's not glass like it was when I was here. There's going to be a little bit of wind today, so that's going to play a factor to finding fish, but see if we can find them up shallow this early. I need to tie on a drop shot. I had a Ned tied on, but kind of have more faith in a drop shot right now. Alright guys, got our first one on. This feels good. It's fighting pretty hard. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Go. Oh, that's a good one. All right, guys, first fish of the day. Let's freaking go. Now y'all see that? Oop. They wanted that drunken shad. Get all prepared here. Yeah, First fish of the day on the Drunken Shad, 16 1/4. Thank you. It's Hank, he's awake. No! Dang it. Lost him right at the boat. I would have been number 2. He was just a little guy, but he would have helped. Something's better than nothing. I need to change out my hook. Nah, I need to set the hook harder. Got it. Need to be. The heck is that? Ew! What the heck? I don't know if you guys can see that, but whatever this is has freaking eyes. What the hell? This was on the end of my hook. That's crazy. That thing got the hell off of me. Alright, just got our second one. She's long, but she's skinny. This one's definitely a female. It spawned out. Again on that Drunken Shad, 5-inch. It's I'm down. measured. You're gonna be feisty, aren't you? All right, 17 and a half. She's skinny. So far, she's our best one. Thank you. Looks like a barrel. That's a barbecue. Wow. There's one. Get out under the kayak. Digging. Nope, nope. Nope. Got that one good. Come on. No. Gosh dang it. Pin that one again. Drunken shad. All over. Tangled up in the freaking transducer. Get him. Get him. Come on. Good enough. Get him. All right. All right, y'all. Number 3. Sparkle. Dealing with those. For battery change, grab a water bottle out of the black pack too. Get down. Nope, don't be doing that. Nope, 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 nope. 4, guys. Again, 5-inch drunken shad. Right there on 15. Number 4, I'm at 15. One more and then we gotta start calling. Midday update. It's 10:53, 7 minutes away from halfway. Still haven't caught a limit. I need one more. I threw a drop shot on with a Morning Dawn thin tail from Fat Pack to see if it can get it done for these clear waters. Hopefully this wind kind of dies down and doesn't get any worse. Starts white capping. I'm gonna have to head back. Yes. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Took my worm, caught that on the Morning Dawn. Morning Dawn thin worm by Fat Pack Baits on that. Not crazy, guy. He's our limit. Caught a freaking limit, guys. Holy crap. So thankful. So thankful. Go net. It's not my hand. Close. Come on. Look out. There you go. There you go. Relax. Get down. There you go. Come on. Get down. Get down. Get down. There you go. Come on. Get down. Thank you. That's the limit. Another 15er. Ain't gotta be doing all that. Please be bigger than 14. For everything I love. Feels good. Unless it's a catfish. Little head shakes. Oh no. Please don't be a catfish. Oh goodness. It's either a giant or a catfish. Oh no. Oh God. Oh no. Oh no. No way a catfish was up shallow like that. Holy crap. Don't do that. Come here. Oh. Oh my God. Oh my God. I gotta get a weight on this fish. Guys. Wow. Right in the corner. Again, fat pack bait stem worm. We're not risking this one, guys. We are not risking this one. That's a good damn fish. Oh, good Lord. Thank you. All right, y'all see that zeroed out. She's locked in at 3.82. Good freaking fish. Let's freaking go, baby. Yeah. All right, Mama. Thank you. Kind of crazy, this level NGX. It's a 7.1 medium life fast. Wanted to give it a go. Brian Latimer's getting his own line, so I'm definitely going to pick some of those up. But this thing is crazy, like $169, and this is 15-pound braid to I think 8 or 10-pound Seaguar Red Label with a tungsten drop shot weight, and I can feel every single rock down there. Kind of crazy how sensitive this rod is. It's I think 30-40 or 40-40 blank wrapped with carbon. It's wow, I was getting bit. See that? Worm is gone. Gosh dang it. That was our last freaking morning, Dawn. Alright guys, both GoPros died. I'm gonna work on getting the back one wired into a bigger battery. Probably behind me or in the crate. Chest one I ran out of memory space. It's got a smaller memory card in it. I'll work on that as well. But from here on out, I'm just gonna see phone POV when I release the fish. Yeah, appreciate you. Cold out, 15.25. This is 17.5. Thank you. All right, guys, just coming at you live here for the outro. Wanted to say thank you if you made it this far. I'd appreciate it if you dropped a like and subscribe. Drop a comment as well. Let me know how you liked it. Any feedback would be greatly appreciated. My only goal for this being my first Bassmaster tournament was to catch a limit of 5 fish, which I did pretty early. I think about 10 a.m. I had a limit, and then I just started kind of cooling from there. GoPros did unfortunately die. These are 8-hour tournaments. I don't have enough battery. I gotta get some new ones here, but I will. But yeah, I was able to catch a limit, able to call some fish out, able to make the top 50%. I came 11th out of 23, so smack dab in the middle. It was super fun. Definitely gonna be doing these more. Let me know how you guys like the videos and everything like that. I'll catch you guys later.